In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use collaborative drafts in Hootsuite. If you're managing social media for a business or a team, collaboration is key. Hootsuite's collaborative drafts feature makes it easier to work together on crafting the perfect social media posts without the risk of accidental early publishing. Let's dive in and explore how this feature can streamline your workflow. First, you'll want to log into your Hootsuite account. If you don't have one already, it's an easy setup, and having an account will allow you full access to all of Hootsuite's features, including collaborative drafts. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. From there, navigate to the top left corner and click on Create a Post. This is the starting point for all your creative social media content. Begin writing your post just as you would normally. This is where you can add all your main content, any necessary media such as images or videos, and links you want to include. Hootsuite provides a great interface for seeing how your post will look once published. It's a good practice to take advantage of this time to double check everything for accuracy and creativity. Now, instead of clicking on schedule or publish, which would be your usual next steps, look for the save as draft option. This is a crucial step for collaboration. Saving as a draft allows other team members to review your work and provide input before it goes live, ensuring that everyone has a say and the post is the strongest it can be. Next, head over to the Plan section in the left panel. This is where you'll manage all your drafts along with other scheduled content. Once inside, look towards the top to find the Draft tab. Click on it to view all of your saved drafts. This space is where your collaboration really comes to life. You have options to edit, duplicate, or delete drafts as needed. This offers a lot of flexibility in managing your content. One of the most valuable collaborative features here is the ability to add internal comments directly to a draft. This communication method allows team members to exchange feedback, suggest revisions, or simply keep each other updated on the status of a post. To do this, open up a draft and look for the comments section. Adding internal comments is a way to streamline discussions, making the review process more efficient. Remember, these comments are only visible to your internal team, not the public. Internal comments are instrumental in facilitating insightful discussions regarding edits and revisions. They serve as a record of decisions made and discussions held, making it easier for everyone involved to stay informed. This level of collaboration ensures your posts are polished and on brand before going live. There you have it. By utilizing collaborative drafts, you can enhance teamwork and efficiency in managing social media content with Hootsuite. So go ahead, give it a try, and elevate your social media strategy to new heights. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.